Good morning, South Lebanon students. This is Mr. Brown coming to you, and I want to talk to you about something special today. I want to talk to you about the word of the month for December. As we move through the school year, we want to make sure that we are working to strive for success, to own our actions, to accept differences, and respect people and property. Our big, SOAR expectations that we do when we say our creed every day. So, along with our SOAR creed, we also have words of the month. So last month's word of the month was gratitude, where you show that you're grateful for something or someone. And this month's word of the month for December is empathy. Now, I want to talk to you a little bit about empathy because empathy can be a hard concept to understand. And the reason it's hard to understand because it isn't always something that we can physically see. Instead, empathy is an understanding of something that doesn't always involve us. It's not something that we can just see. So when we show empathy, we try to learn what's going on in a person's life that makes them act the way they do. If someone's moping around and we don't, on the outside, see a reason why, there might be something else going on that makes them that's making them feel sad. So sometimes, and to give you another example, sometimes an adult might tell you to put yourself in another person's shoes. So when you think about what that means, put yourself in another person's shoes. It doesn't really mean to put their shoes on your feet. What it means is to look at the situation from the way that other person is looking at it, or from another person's perspective. If we can understand the feelings of others and show acceptance of those feelings, we can continue to move forward in our quest to be kind and respectful and soar as South Lebanon Falcons. So I'd encourage you to get to know your friends, get to know people around you, and look to show empathy and look to show understanding for things that you might not always understand. So before you make a judgment about somebody, try to learn the whole picture and show that empathy. I wish you a very good day, and I can't wait to see our acts of kindness around the building in relation to our word of the month, empathy.